Hi, Daniela. I heard it's your birthday tomorrow, I think, on Saturday, and I just want to wish you a very happy birthday. I am so sorry this took so long, but like, I wish you nothing but the best, and sana humaba yung buhay mo, te. Or just, I don't know. I love you, girl. To the one and only Daniela, wishing you a beautiful day and vibrant as you are. May this new chapter bring you a joy. Happy birthday. Hi Isa, happy birthday. God bless you. Enjoy your day and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Beshi. Stay blessed and keep shining.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daniela. I hope that you have the best birthday ever.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daniela. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Balik na kayo dito. Tsaka pakabait ka na sa ate mo, ha.
Ikaw din
Punta kami dyan sa Ilocos soon.
Hi, Beshi. Happy birthday. Stay jolly and sweet. Enjoy your day. Bawi kami Tito Andre pagbalik namin siya. And miss you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Daniela! Yun, mag-aral ka daw laging mabuti. Tsaka,
Huwag mo kakalimutan, huwag kumain, baka pumayat ka.
tsaka huwag kang iinom ng tubig pagkatapos mo may pagdaldala kasi baka mapasmay ang bibig mo.
Ikaw ang beshi ng taon.
Hey!
Pag uwi namin, dilibre ka namin maraming coffee tea. Tsaka ano yung chicken?
Chipay.
Chipay. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Yeah! Happy birthday!